Using drip inside of bundles. From your dashboard, go across to courses. On the left hand side, click bundles. Go into a course, or if you're already in the course, go across to drip. Drip works slightly differently inside bundles than it does for courses. Inside of courses, you can select to drip out content based on sections. But within bundles, you can drip courses, whole courses out by a drip schedule. Let me demonstrate this to you now. If we go into enable drip schedule, you're going to see here that we can actually set up a release date for each of the courses. So unlike courses themselves, which you can drip out sections, within bundles, the main difference is you can drip out the whole course by drip. Now, if you have drip already set up within the courses themselves inside the bundle by allowing drip automation of content within the bundle, drip will also be set up inside of the courses if you have enabled it. So think about this very carefully when you're working with drips inside of your courses or your bundles inside of Zenler. You'll see inside of the drip for each course, you can set this up by a numeric number in here and minutes, hours, days or weeks, allowing content, or in this case whole courses, to be released from enrollment or by a specific drip date. This is how drips work within Zenler. To find out more about drips for courses, please look at the support doc on course drip.